I look like a brat. Hi guys, welcome back to watching Nelly Doing Things. I am back to talk about some more makeup. Today we're going to be talking about Juvia's Place collab with YAMI Angelina. So I'm excited to really see what this little cutie is all about. Don't forget to like, subscribe to my channel, which is Nelly Doing Things. And also don't forget to leave a comment below. And don't forget to hit that notification button while you're down there as well. All right, y'all, so I'm gonna get into the packaging today. So with this palette on the back, because you know we gotta read about it, a palette inspired by the people that come from nothing and flourish into something beautiful. As a young Latin immigrant from Dominican Republic, I am very proud for this collab with one of my favorite brands. This palette is the definition that when your dreams are bigger than your struggles, anything is possible. Never stop dreaming, and we all have a butterfly inside ready to fly. Cause y'all, I'm trying to relearn Spanish. I don't know if you guys know this, but in high school I knew Spanish to a certain extent. I can read Spanish better than I can actually sometimes pronounce it. Like I like reading a book in Spanish when I. But anyways, una paleta favoritas. So I believe I purchased this for $15, and I got this around 18 and some change. So after tax and everything. So that was really cute. Really worth that. They do have on the back too, she does come with 6 cute colors. Look at that, look at that. Yes. Cute. So on the 6 colors, they actually describe every one individual. So her color names and choices, and this is why. Angel is my dad's name, which is blue metallic shade. And then October 12th is my born day. She's a Libra. Yellow mustard matte shade. That's what we got right in here. Pink peach matte shade is for her mama. Aww. And then Barbie Brat. Barbies and Bratz dolls were obsession when I was little. I would live, breathe, and dream Barbie, which is the pink metallic shade. And then Ya Tu Sabe. That is one of the most famous phrases to use in the Latin Dominican community, which means you already know, and I use it for literally everything. That's the chocolate brown matte color shade. Awesome. So they do have pressed pigments. 3 of these shades are pressed pigments. 2 are eyeshadows, and then 1 is a glitter, which of course you guys probably guess is Glitter Queen. So that's all about the packaging in this cute little palette. So if you guys want this, a really cute, bratty, kind of cute little look, stay tuned. So I hope you guys enjoy the tutorial. And I'm going to get into these colors now since we already broke down the names or what is what. Look at this color. It's very, very pretty. Very cute, soft and little. I actually love this because you know what? I don't know if you guys know this, but usually on my channel I have something on top of my head. My hair is big as well. I love this look, and with the butterflies, and I would have loved some flowers in there, but I know butterfly gets her theme. We got the hoops on, you guys already know, but I love this. I think this is actually one of the cutest little packagings because the other little ones are very cute, but I think I like this color scheme. Again, it goes with everything. It goes with my whole thing. I like it. So with this little one, it does have the YAMI on the front, and then of course inside it has all of these beautiful colors. So we do have, this one is Angel, then we have October 12th, and then we have Glitter Queen, and then we have Aurelis. Hopefully I'm saying that's her mama's name. Hope I'm saying it right. Barbie Brat, and then Yatu Sabe. I love this one. You guys already know from the tutorial. I use that in the back. You guys already know that chocolate brown, I want to use it. You know I had to use that yellow, the October 12th. I had to see how she popping. And she actually did turn kind of a mustardy yellow. On screen, she looks just like a regular bright, like a, just a neutral kind of yellow, but she is mustardy. She does turn mustard against my skin. I actually don't mind that. And then I did use Angel. So I did use that one a little bit just underneath, and I don't mind it. It went on kind of like an eyeliner. It was really, really smooth, and I was kind of shocked, like, this is weird. I don't know why it went on so smoothly. Then I used Aurelis. Hopefully, again, I'm saying it right. Use that one at the bottom here, and I did kind of blur it out because I said I want it kind of washed out a little bit, just a little bit. And I don't mind this color scheme. I think this color range is gorgeous. And how could I forget? Oh my God, I almost forgot. Glitter Queen right at the top. Y'all, I don't know if you guys know on this channel, I don't really care for glitters, especially harder glitters like this. This one's not so hard, but I don't care for glitters really. I'm like you, just give me a really full impact, shimmery shadow. Or even a triochrome, I love those. Oh, duochrome, ooh, I love those. I have to admit, this glitter, if you guys can see, it's so multi-dimensional. It's like a rose goldy brown, pink-ish with purple other glitter in it. It's really, really pretty. It's so, so pretty. I'm gonna swatch the one that I didn't get to put on my eye. It's Barbie Brat. I thought of wearing Barbie Brat, but I don't know, I feel like I've already done a look with this kind of pink. This is Barbie Brat. She's cute. And this arrangement, you can play around with that pink with the other colors. One thing is about this cute little palette is I think every single one of these things performed very well. Only thing is, again, that glitter. But that's just me because I don't care for glitter too much. But I have to admit, that glitter is so dimensional. Look at that. It's like a rose, coppery, gold, pinkish with purple specks in it. It's a lot going on in that glitter. I tell you that. And I really have to admit, when I was seeing it on JUVIA'S Place, I said, I know it's a glitter. I know it's a glitter. But I still want it. I was like, I know I'm going to fight with that glitter. But it is pretty, and I knew I was gonna wear it. I said, you gonna wear that glitter though? I said, I sure am. As you guys can see, I didn't use none of my Morphe base. We don't do that with JUVIA'S Place. I was a little bit worried about the yellow though. I was like, is it gonna, you know, but now she popping. She showed up. So I was like, not surprised. The price range to $15 and to still get it underneath $20 even after shipping and everything. I still think that's a really cute little price. I wish I would have grabbed her gloss too. Now that I'm like, this is a really cute color, I should have grabbed the freaking gloss. The packaging is adorable. It really is. And I did wait 10,000 years for it, but it's still, by the time I get JUVIA'S Place stuff, I'm still like, it's worth it though. One thing I noticed is they kind of have bigger pans. They're not as big as they used to, but I like these circles and they got them a little bigger. Again, Juvia. I don't know why y'all don't give us a mirror. Like a little butterfly mirror. That would have been cute. You know, a little something. Just a little something extra. I'm glad to see she has a collab because I've been seeing her use her stuff forever and I was like, she's gonna get a palette. She's gonna get a collab. I said, she's going to. And she got her cute little palette. So happy to see that. But to me, it's like, this is not fall at all. I think the brown and the glitter would be more fall, but everything else, this 4 section over here, that's all spring. I do think this one is worth it though, just to grab it. Why not? I just like all JUVIA'S Place palettes pretty much. So, hey y'all, they're good. They perform well, and this one was very, very inexpensive at the moment right now. I like this palette. I approve of it. She's cute. She mine. So guys, that was my little review over the new JUVIA'S Place in YAMI Angelina La Mariposa palette. So again, guys, thank you for watching me, which is Nelly Doing Things. And don't forget to like, subscribe to my channel. And also don't forget to leave a comment below. Tell me, did you like this palette? Did you think it's cute? Did you like any other collabs before hers? Tell me which one you like. And also don't forget to hit that notification button while you're down there as well. And you guys already know what I'm about to say. I'm going to catch y'all on the next one. Bye.